Hey everyone, it's Brian Porter. Welcome to Tone Tuesday. We've got a very cool project that we just finished up, and we thought we'd share some sound clips of this guitar. This is actually a Fender Cyclone from the late 90s, and we did a new pick guard for it, and then we put in a cool pickup combination with our vintage custom Strat pickup in the neck and our Anthem Plus humbucker in the bridge. We also wired in a push-pull here to split the bridge pickup. So we've got kind of a lot of cool things going on. This is a unique enough project we thought we'd make a quick video and just show you how it sounds. I'm also playing with some new toys that I got in the shop from my friend at Schnobeltone, Roman. And we also got his daily driver pedal, which is, it's a fantastic drive. So you get to hear the drive pedal in this video as we kind of walk through the tones. So let's check it out. All right, so that was just a look at the sound of the vintage custom and the Anthem bridge. It's kind of fun to play this single coil neck with the humbucker bridge. Really been enjoying this daily driver, super tweakable from Schnobeltone. Check them out, Instagram. You can search online and find them. Really tweakable, great for our needs with a lot of different kinds of pickups that we're demoing and testing. It's got a lot of really cool features. It's always fun when we get a lot of cool new toys in the shop, so hopefully you enjoyed hearing some of the sounds of those as well. Take care, guys.